5. Before FYA. The last topic is topic 5, which is actually functions and curves. Functions and curves. Okay? Okay, so from here, oh, you want to what? It's in a sense a bit of change here. Yeah. Because when you do things like topic 16 that you already know to apply, you need to know okay. F prime x fx power n, the last time round we were in integration. Okay, you all have your notes with you. And then this is formula that we talk about. So remember, this is the formula that we talk. So we stop somewhere here. So just a quick recap again. We do integration, this is the reverse of differentiation. With the punctuation, this is integrate x power n with respect to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equals to negative 1. Okay. Then after that, we talk about how we can reverse chain rule. So example, if we differentiate an fx composite n plus 1, this is supposed to give us n plus 1 fx to the power of n. So this is differentiating the outside function. Now differentiate the inside function, you can multiply by f prime x. So in a sense, in differentiation, right, we differentiate the inside and we throw it outside. We throw a derivative. So in integration, we are collecting back the derivative. That's why in integration, you realize that the formula is something like that. Divide by n plus 1. By integrate f prime x, fx to the power of n dx, then I increase fx to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so you can see, notice how this is this and this is this. Some of you would like to ask, what is it, teacher? What happened to the f prime? How come the f prime is gone? Is the karma of differentiation? Okay, because in differentiation, this guy appears because of chain rule. So in integration, he disappears. Okay, you are collecting back. Can I? So with that, then we are at question 1.2. Can I just check where you all stop at? Should have been your last question. 4.2. Okay, who is at 1.2? 1.3? Okay, can. Those who finish 1.3, you can try practice that one first. Okay? Wait until everybody finish 1.3, then I start the part. Pause the recording. Okay, so you make sure that, it's like when you have a hammer, right? Everything looks like a nail. So you try to squeeze in the formula. So here, right, don't need to go and find the f prime. Because by the time you find the f prime, it's goes over already. Also here, you run it this way. You run it this way. Okay, you run it this way. You can pull out the scalar. You can actually pull out a scalar. Maybe you can pull out a scalar. So here to here, what I'm doing is I'm just doing indices now. Okay, so it's like, you know those useless constants, right? I push outside so that they don't interfere with my integration. Okay, so all those constants I'll push it outside so that they don't interfere. Because again, if I integrate a of fx dx, this is the same as a integral of fx dx. So scalar constant, sometimes I find that wow, they are a bit too much for me to take. I'll put the core machine outside. So this is what I have. Okay? Cannot. So a lot of the work is preparing. I have not started cooking. I'm just going to the supermarket to buy all my ingredients first. 4 power 364. Then I integrate 2x minus 3 to the power of negative 3 dx. Just like differentiation, we would like everything in text form. So you can pay attention now. Okay, so from here, you have the formula. Right? This will mean symbolize fx. This will symbolize n. What do you need here? What do I need here?
F prime.
F prime x. What will F prime x be? 2. Very good. Thank you. So if I need a 2, right? You can put a 2 here. Then outside you just divide by 2 lah. Okay, ma? Okay with this step? Okay with this step. It's a bit of what I call collateral damage, unintended consequence. Okay? So this formula, this is 32. Outside, whatever that's outside is nothing, nothing to worry about. Integral f prime fx to the power of n, am I right? Fx to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so we recognize very clearly who is our fx. This is my fx. Okay? This is my n. And some of you wrote n as 3. No, so minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2. This is negative 2 plus c. So far okay? Did I miss out anything? Did I miss out anything? Which is not the head. What did I miss out? The 32 hor. Remember? In integration, a lot of time there's collateral damage. Okay, unintended consequences are outside. Okay, can I? So this is A. So for B, I go a bit faster. You can see that for B, this is fx, f prime. This is f prime. You can see that for B, this is my fx. This is my n. And this is my f prime, which you creatively brought in a negative 6. But this is the one that you created just so to have f prime, right? So just so to have f prime. Oh, then you see that this part, this is fx to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And then whatever that's negative 1 over 6 here, this is collateral. Okay, okay? Can not? So okay? Is he okay? Start. Forward. Better now. Wait. So what does it mean is, if you are looking at this formula, right? Another thing on your mind is, it will always be, if you ever see an integral of a product, okay, the one with the power n, that's usually the fx. Okay, and these two functions are usually related by differentiation. So if you look at these two, are they related by differentiation? The answer is yes, right? But this, if you differentiate, is 3x squared minus 3x. So you need to do a times 3. So this again is the collateral. From here, this is your fx. This is your fx, f prime. Okay. Also with this is fx to the power of f plus 1. Okay. Then there's an f plus 1 outside. This is 1 over 3 times 1.
I didn't get the last part.
Okay, ma? So with that, you can start practice set 1, I think. Sequence 1? Yeah, practice set 1. Practice set 1, can I have it this Monday? 4 paper? That's all. Okay, pause the record. Okay, thank you, class.